Are you addicted to watching YouTube videos on your phone? Well, what if I told you that you can actually make money doing it? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I will reveal to you a simple and legit way to earn money just by watching videos on your phone. As a fellow YouTube enthusiast, I spent months searching for such an opportunity until I finally found it. And the best part? This method works worldwide. No more wasting your precious time on mindless scrolling. Instead, turn your YouTube addiction into a profitable venture. Don't believe me? Download the app and see for yourself. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into this exciting opportunity. Are you tired of watching YouTube videos without making any money? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to earn money simply by watching YouTube videos on your phone. It's so easy that you can do it while having your morning coffee or winding down at night. I spent months scouring the internet to find a way to make money through YouTube, and finally, I stumbled upon an app called Givvy Videos. It's a global app, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is download the app from the link in the description, and you'll see a list of YouTube videos to watch. You may even recognize some of the creators already. As you watch the videos, you'll start earning points. It's that simple. So what are you waiting for? Start earning money by watching YouTube videos now. Welcome to this amazing opportunity that I stumbled upon to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos on your phone. You may be thinking, is this really possible? Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. I've been in your shoes, scouring the internet for ways to make passive income, and I finally found it with an app called Givvy Videos. Once you download the app from the link in the description, you can start watching the YouTube videos of your favorite creators right from the homepage. Within just a minute of watching, you'll start earning points, which you can cash out using a variety of options like Payoneer, Coinbase, Amazon, PayPal, Litecoin, and more. The best part? The minimum cash out amount is incredibly low, so you don't have to spend weeks or even months accumulating enough points to cash out. I was able to reach the threshold just by watching a couple of videos in bed. And with options like PayPal, you can cash out in just 3 days. Yes, the app has ads, but with the simplicity and convenience of earning money while doing something you already enjoy, it's definitely worth it. So why not give it a try and start earning some extra cash today? Looking to make some extra cash by watching YouTube videos? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to earn money with the Givvy Videos app. With just a few clicks, you'll be earning points that can be cashed out through various payment options. And the best part? You can do it all while watching your favorite videos. Make sure to click the link in the description to download the app and start earning money today. And if you're interested in learning more ways to boost your income, be sure to check out my other videos for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy earning!